A bank is a place where people keep their money safe. Most people do not carry all their money with them. Instead, they open a bank account. A bank helps us save money and also allows us to use it when needed. We can keep our money in a savings account. This kind of account is good for saving over time. When we keep money in a bank, the bank gives us a small reward called interest. Banks are very important in daily life. They make it easy for people to send or receive money, pay bills, and even save for the future. Most cities and towns have banks. And many banks also have apps so we can use them from home. Learning banking English is important if you want to understand how to use a bank. In this video, we will learn 6 important words used in banking. We will also learn how to talk about money in simple English. By the end, you will be able to understand what happens at a bank and use the right words with confidence. When you want to use a bank, the first thing you do is open an account. An account is a place where the bank keeps your money. There are different types of accounts. A savings account is for saving money. A checking account is for daily use. To open an account, you usually need to show your ID and fill out a form. The bank will then give you an account number. You can use this number to put money in or take money out. Once your account is ready, the bank may give you a debit card. This card lets you use your account in stores and at ATM. You can also use it online. It's important to remember your account details and keep them safe. When you have an account, you can receive your salary, send money, or pay for things easily. This is why many people use banks. Knowing the word account is important for your banking English. Now you can tell someone, I opened a bank account. Or, my salary goes into my account. These are common and useful phrases in real life. When you deposit money, you put it into your bank account. You can do this by visiting a bank branch, using an ATM, or transferring money from another account. The word deposit is useful when you want to talk about adding money. For example, I deposited $100 into my account. This means you added money to your account. The opposite of deposit is withdraw. When you withdraw money, you take it out of the bank. You can withdraw cash at an ATM or ask a bank worker to give it to you. For example, I need to withdraw $50 to buy groceries. These two words, deposit and withdraw, are very important in banking English. You will see them on ATM machines, bank websites, and account statements. Many people deposit their paychecks and withdraw money for shopping or bills. When you understand these actions, you can manage your money better. Practice using the phrases, I want to make a deposit, and I need to withdraw some cash. Learning how to talk about these common actions will make you feel more confident at the bank or when speaking English about money. Sometimes we don't have enough money for something big, like a car or house. In this case, we can ask the bank for a loan. A loan is money the bank gives you, but you must pay it back. You also pay extra money called interest. For example, if you borrow $1,000, you might pay back $1,100. That extra $100 is the interest. Banks give loans for many reasons. Education, business, buying things, or emergencies. To get a loan, you must apply. The bank checks if you can pay it back. Then they approve the loan and tell you how much interest you will pay. Interest can be different depending on the loan type. Some loans have high interest. Others have low. If you get a loan, it is important to pay it back on time. If not, the bank may charge more interest or fees. These two words, loan and interest, are a big part of banking English. They help you understand your responsibilities when borrowing money. A good phrase to remember is, I got a loan from the bank. Or, the interest rate is low. Use these when talking about borrowing or paying money back. Banking is part of adult life. You use banks to save, spend, borrow, and plan. That's why learning banking English is so important. If you move to a new country or work in business, you will need to talk about banks. You might ask, how do I open an account? Or, can I withdraw some cash? You might talk to a banker. Use a banking app. Or fill out a form. All of this needs the right English words. In this video, we learned 6 key words. Account, deposit, withdrawal, savings, loan, and interest. These words help you speak clearly and understand others when talking about money. When you practice these words, you grow more confident. You don't need many words to sound fluent. Just the right ones. That's why Tails Fluency is here. To help English beginners learn real-world language. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel. We create more videos like this every week. Keep learning. Keep speaking. And remember, your English gets better every day you practice.